Not many years ago, here in South Africa, people filled the streets of every village and township expressing to the best of their abilities a hope for a different future. One of those dreams was access to a better future. Why are we not there yet? My name is Vincent Zokufa. We at Limanati believe that young people from the poorest communities of Cape Town can get into universities and thrive. But today, reality is 100 learners pass grade 12, 25 enroll into tertiary institutions, only 13 complete a 3-year qualification. This must change. We have developed a model to transform tertiary going culture. Limanati Slingshot focuses on helping grade 10 and 11 learners with mentorship programs and career guidance. Our Cannon Blast propels grade 12 learners into a full of possibilities tertiary experience. Please, we need your support into helping these programs continue for our youth. Thank you.